How to remove Snapchat filter from a photo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove a Snapchat filter from a photo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to keep in mind is that this only works if your photo is saved on Snapchat. So let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can head over to your memories by swiping up. So there you can see a photo here. And let's say that I want to remove the edit I've done here. To do that, tap on the three dots on the top right of your photo. Tap on edit snap. After you tap on edit snap, you can simply remove the filter from here. To remove the filter, you can simply choose nothing, that is your plain filter, and then you can send it if you want to, or you can simply save it like this by tapping on the cross on the top left and tapping on save changes. And with that, the filter is now removed from Snapchat. And that's basically how you remove your Snapchat filter from a photo, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.